What's up guys, how are you today? I hope you're doing great and hope you are enjoying my videos here on my channel. Today we are coming back with this gorgeous mannequin. This is my model Sandy Bell. I have it on my own website. If you want to purchase it, I will leave the link in the comment, the first comment below, and the description under the video too. If you want to purchase it, you're very welcome. So what we are going to do today, we are going to do absolutely gorgeous bob. French carré. This is how we say it in French, French carré, or in English, just short bob, okay? What's nice about this haircut, it's gonna be gorgeous, sexy, bold, beautiful, and easy to cut. Even if you don't have any experience with cutting hair, just like it's easy to do it at home. Call your sister, call somebody know how to use a little bit the shear, and follow my steps, and believe me, you're gonna get absolutely gorgeous bob or French carré. So how we do this haircut, let's go and start it step by step. Okay guys, so all I did is I washed the hair and did a little bit towel dry, so now all evenly wet. And what I'm going to use today for this haircut, I'm gonna use wide teeth comb, like right now you're gonna see on the camera. So wide teeth comb, you can use any side of this, no problem, because both here is wide, here even wider, but the main idea is we need wide teeth comb. And where the shear we are going to use today is this shear. We're not gonna use the regular shear, we're gonna use the shear with the tight teeth on the top, and this is the blade, you know, so texturizing shear. Okay guys, so as you saw, I did 6 sections, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 sections, and this is the fringe area. You saw how I took the fringe area. You see the outside of the eye, this area here, it goes in facing, look, this is how the line comes down. This is the triangle for the fringe area. So this is gonna separate it, and we have 6 sections, and this, the fringe area is 7. Okay, so that's it. So now the most important part, when I go and cut the teeth, I want it to face the neck. Okay, so the teeth going facing the neck area, not out, because I want it to bevel in. So this is very important. The teeth facing, this is the teeth of the shear, it has to be facing in. Very important. Okay, let's go and start cutting. So the most important thing, guys, when we are going to cut the first section, we're gonna do the section behind the ear, and we want to determine the length. So I'm going to cut the cheekbone here, okay, length, and gonna be straight line, not down, not up, just kind of more on the straight level. Okay, so let's go and start. Okay guys, so the first thing we're gonna do, I'm going to come like a natural position, just zero elevation, no elevation. And I want to mention something. This shear is not my shear. I don't have the texturizing shear with one side teeth. So I called my friend and I said, I need to use your shear, and it was absolutely the worst shear I ever used. It was horrible, but I wanted to film, so I used it. It's fine. You can see here I'm struggling because every time I'm closing on this section, it took me forever. Every section I cut it. It took me forever to cut the entire section just because the shear wasn't that good. But I was planning to film, so I didn't want to put this video off. And look here how much I'm struggling. But this shows you, even with the bad shear I was using, you can get phenomenal result. Why? Because it's based on your skills, guys, not how good the shear is. Okay, very important, the combing part and your skills. So here I'm keeping everything zero elevation, and I'm going around the head shape. I'm just following the head shape and keeping zero elevation. And as I said, use the wide teeth comb because we don't want to create any tension on the hair. We want the hair to be very relaxed, and just keep it straight line, as I said, no elevation, and just follow to the jawline. This haircut is gorgeous. Just wait till you see the final result. So we finished this side. Now we are moving to the other side, and this is very fast haircut. I mean, anybody can do it, you know. It doesn't require so much skills, but the final result is wow, with minimum work and minimum skills. So what I'm doing here, I'm finishing the last section. If anything left behind, I just clean it very quick, nothing crazy, it's easy. And boom, here we go. The whole haircut is done that quick. Now we are going to move to the fringe area. Here definitely I'm checking the balance, making sure everything's okay. The length on both sides, okay. So here I'm parting from the center, and what we're gonna do, we are going to take a guideline from the side, okay. This is, yes, from the hairline on the side, and I'm going to do like a medium elevation, nothing crazy, not too high, not too low, just a medium elevation. And I'm going to cut over direct to the other side of the face and cut. We are going to do the same exact thing on the other side. So we are going to take our guideline from the first part, on the other side we cut it. So you see my guideline? Here we go, I over direct to the other side and keep it medium elevation, nothing crazy, and then I cut. Oh my god, I'm telling you, I struggled with this shear, but I made it. So here we go, that's it. The whole haircut is done. So what I'm gonna do right now I'm using my shears. This shear has teeth on both sides. Okay, this is my shear. I didn't use it in the haircut because it just does different effect. And what I'm doing here, I'm just removing some weight from the ends because I don't want the ends to be so heavy. So I'm removing some weights just to give it a little bit smoother, softer on the hairline. And after that, I'm done. Here we go. That's simple, guys. Okay guys, so after I did the haircut, you saw it's very simple, nothing crazy. So what I'm going to do right now, I'm going to use a styling butter from Orbe, like you see here right now. Styling butter for curly hair. And I'm gonna do L'Oreal gel. If you have a strong hold, just use a little bit, but I prefer if you can use like medium hold gel. Just a little bit, mix it with the styling butter, and we are going to use the diffuser with a low heat, and be patient, and we will see the final look. Absolutely stunning. Just keep watching. Okay guys, so this is the final look. I hope you liked it. Look how gorgeous, edgy, sexy, sassy, bold, everything. Very easy haircut as you saw. Call your sister, call anybody just to cut it for you, and look how beautiful, just gorgeous. And as I said, if you like my videos, put like on it, and as I always say, I love you guys, and I see you in a new video, new idea, and ciao for